we're going to show you how to set up the rotisserie items. Remove the warming rack and remove the grates if more room is needed. Attach the motor bracket to either the left or right outer side of the grill using the 2 screws and nuts provided. Attach the motor to the bracket. Place both the forks onto the spit, facing one another, and tighten the fastener. Place the collar on the threaded end of the spit, and then completely screw on the washer. Place the weight over the threads and lock it in place by screwing on the handle. Adjust the position of the weight as needed by unscrewing and rescrewing the handle. Place the squared off end of the spit into the fitting of the motor. Slide the collar into position, resting it over the mount, and tighten the fastener. Turn on the rotisserie motor, and you're ready to grill.